Welcome back to App IQ, and today I'm going to show you how to use Canva's Collaborate feature. Collaboration in Canva allows multiple people to work on the same design in real time. Now to share this design, head up to the dashboard at the top right corner, select Share, and to set permissions, go to Access Level. You can choose to select only you can access or anyone with this link. And it says no sign in is required. Here you can search for people or groups. In the search bar, you can even click on the plus right here to add people. Let me close the access level. And if for some reason that you want to remove someone, you can head over to the settings icon, and everyone that you would have allowed access to this document, you would select remove access right there. Also, once people leave comment under this design, you would see a notification right here on top of the comment icon. If you select on it, every comment that's left right here would be added. And you too can also add a comment. Collaboration makes Canva ideal for teams, clients, and group projects. That is it, guys. Very easy and very simple.